Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 system. In the first step, we need to open Task Manager, then click on Run New Task, select Browse button, then go to this PC. Now open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open System32 folder. Simply double click on it to open it. Now find out cmd file, cmd.exe. Simply select it and click on open. Now this will be our main path. After that, check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. Once we are here, we need to execute some commands to fix this issue. So type all these commands carefully. Type ipconfig space / flush DNS and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then type ipconfig space / renew and hit enter. So this will take some time. After that, type netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter to execute this command. So we must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Before the restart process, we need to execute some methods. For that, go to search bar and type control panel and click here to open it. Now select view by as category, then click on network and internet, select network and sharing center option, then click on change adapter settings. Now we need to right click on our internet connection, so click on properties, then we need to click on IPv4 and open its properties, then select this option, use the following DNS server address and just follow my screen, enter these DNS server addresses and click on OK. Close all windows one by one, and in the last method simply open run and type here temp and click on OK. We need to delete all these files, so select all files and delete them from temp folder. Again open run. You can simply press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Now type in %temp% and click on OK. Now again select all these files, right click on them and simply delete all these files. We need to skip some files. Now simply restart our system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.